Okay, so here we have a 14 horsepower Loncin petrol engine driven pressure washer with a AR triplex, AR standing for ANOV reverberary, an Italian made pump. Just to talk you around the machine briefly: on off switch, pull cord, choke on, choke off, petrol on, revs less, revs more. Okay, take you around here. Pressure gauge, pressure adjustment. As pressure full is fully clockwise. Thermal relief valve. All couplings in this machine, quick release, and not only quick release but stainless steel, not your usual plated steel because they corrode. So that's stainless steel. So we'll just start her up here and you can see her going. So first of all, I need to switch the machine on, choke on, water on, lift the lamp, pull the trigger in, keep the pressure off the pull cord. One good pull. Okay, a wee bit less choke, just half choke. Turbo Nozzle comes with this as well. That's it. That's one awful, or not awful, that's one awesome powerful machine for all your cleaning tasks. Turbo nozzle, five different fan jets, a real heavy duty pump. That's the ANOV reverberary triplex commercial pump. You have the 14 horsepower Loncin engine, good 13-inch air filled wheels to absorb vibration, 10 meters of hose. Comes as standard, but you can have whatever length of hose you wish. Other accessories, flat surface cleaners, drain nozzles, foam bottles, all that type of stuff is all available in our shop. Or just alternatively, give us a call. Cheers, thank you, bye.